In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M51, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now find and pick biometrics and security. Then scroll down, click on other security settings, and then select setup SIM card lock. And right here you can change it, so smoothly click on change SIM card PIN, and now enter the current one. Click on OK, and now it's time to provide your device with a new one, with a new SIM PIN. It can be 2580. Tap on OK to confirm, and then re-enter it. And that's it. As you can see, it has been changed, so now you can smoothly use this PIN card SIM, PIN to your SIM card. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.